Oh, my favorite people, I hope you are doing good. Here is another big information from Cex.ios, which is every member is now able to make money on CEX and withdraw your money. You are able to make USDT and withdraw your money instantly. Please, if you are new to my channel, I need you to go and subscribe now, and let's dive into it. We just received this information today, and this information, let's read this out, and I will explain how to make the money, the USDT, and how you are going to withdraw. All right. Yes, you can get 10% of your squad members in game purchases made through Telegram stars. The best part. So you see, we are going to open the application. I'm going to show you what you need to do, how you are going to get the USDT, I mean the dollars, and how you are going to withdraw them by getting 10% of your members purchases made through Telegram stars. The best part, convert it straight into USDT and get it in your Cex.io account instantly. You see, this is not, they are not playing. You can just convert them straight to USDT. You can convert them straight to USDT and get it in your Cex.io account instantly. You can just get it directly to your CEX account. I guess you have already connected your wallets, right? So that wallet you connected through your exchanger, your CEX exchanger, that is where you are going to get your USDT instantly. All right. Can you believe it? They say, can you believe it? Many can't. So don't sleep on this. Share the news on your social pages with your friends right away. So I got to share this with you because I've been updating on CEX back to back. All right, let's go and see what we're gonna do. All right, let's start the application and let's see how it works. All right. So guys, as you can see here, we are, and what you're gonna do here is, let me show you what you're gonna do if you want to get this text. No, squad. Yes, this is where it is, squad. So what what the information is all about is, if you as you see, I have referrals. I have many out 24 users that I referred. So if any of your referrals buy these stars and use them on this CEX, you know how to buy stars. I have made a video on how you can buy stars. I have stars, so I used to buy stars. So if you want to buy stars, you can buy stars so that you can increase your tapping balance. You can increase your tapping here, and you can use it, do a lot of stops here if you have these stars. So any of your referrals, if any of your referrals buy this star, you will get 10% of that stars that he buys. If any of your referrals buy these stars, you are going to get some percentage, which is 20% of that stars that he bought. So if you have 10, if 10 people buys, you get 10 rewards from 10 different people. If 20 buy, you get, and if you got, here is where you're going to claim. You see, you claim them. When you claim them, then you convert under what you said it directly to your CEXP. This is all about, this is this is it, as easy as that. All right. So if you have referrals, and if you don't have referrals, you need to start getting referrals from now, because here you can keep mining your CEX and you can still make money and withdraw your USDT. So please, if you are new to my channel, I need you to go and subscribe now, and I will continue and keep updating you with good informations like this. Thank you for watching. Mayan.